Are you looking for the best gaming desktops? In this video we will look at some of the best gaming desktops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. iBUYPOWER Pro. This professional gaming desktop is a favorite among crowds of avid gamers. iBUYPOWER 208i series desktop operates an Intel system with a secure Windows 10 Home model for the latest performance features. With its brand new mirror model, iBUYPOWER displays a luxurious and modern tempered glass and mirror finish that reflects the surrounding areas to add an element of dazzle to your gaming setup. This also lays the groundwork for a set of translucent panels that impressively reflect the internal components for an enhanced aesthetic appeal. Apart from stunning aesthetics, the PC holds an ample 16GB RAM besides accommodating a VR and Wi-Fi ready design for enhanced efficiency and user-friendliness. Number 2. HP Pavilion. The HP Pavilion desktop adopts a compact tower design that allows you to upgrade the system with LEDs and internal themes. Other than being highly customizable, this gaming PC is also one of the most affordable and budget-friendly options on the market with a humble price tag of just under $800, which is a considerable bargain compared to the usual $1,000 and above desktops usually available on the market. Additionally, this computer provides an impressive 4K display with clear-cut graphics to turn your immersive gaming experience up a notch. HP Pavilion's hard drive offers an ample amount of storage space, around 256GB, which is more than enough to run a few PC games. Other than that, this gaming PC also includes numerous serviceable features such as a built-in thermal layer to optimize noise reduction while keeping the tower cool throughout. Other noteworthy features of this desktop PC include media card readers, USB ports, and a headphone and microphone jack. Number 3. Omen 30L. Omen's futuristic design encompasses a 10th generation Core i9 processor that boosts the performance of any task you may perform on your PC, including content creation, streaming, and gaming. The Omen 30L PC includes a sizable forefront fan along with a set of elevating bottom feet to raise the unit and ensure proper heat dissipation. This desktop has an impressive 10GB high-resolution NVIDIA GeForce graphics card with 32GB RAM that is expandable up to 64GB, allowing you to run even the most graphics-intensive games out there.